Yummy chocolate. Mother, may I have a bite of chocolate?
No, you may not. You may throw it on the floor.
Mmm, chocolate.
Timmy, you forgot to ask. Mother, may I?
Mother, may I go home? I'm scared.
You may.
Mother, may I? Please let me have a drink of water.
No, you may not.
Babe!
You may not disobey Mother. Ever.
I can't believe it. Mother killed my boyfriend. She's such a...
She's always listening. Mother, may I comfort my friend?
No, you may not. You may kill her.